Hi, this is Dr. Shawn Horn here, clinical psychologist. And on today's therapy thoughts, I want to talk to you about anxiety and avoidance. One of the things that happens when we feel anxious is that we want to avoid. We procrastinate and we just don't want to do that thing, which is causing us to feel anxious. Well, the tricky thing is that anxiety creates avoidance. And the more we avoid, the more anxious we become. So it becomes this vicious loop. We procrastinate, the more we procrastinate, the worse we feel, we avoid, the worse we avoid, we get more anxious. And it's this horrible spiral that we get caught into. And I know you know what I'm talking about because we all go through that where we have to make that call we don't want to or mail that thing or show up to that event or so forth. So I have a solution for you. My solution is the skill called opposite action. Opposite action, what that is you do the opposite of what you feel compelled to do. And you do it first thing. So when you wake up in the morning, that one thing that you're avoiding the most, that is the first thing that you're going to do. You're just going to push yourself, impose on yourself to do it. If you can make yourself go to the grocery store, the bank, brush your teeth, take a shower, you can do it. It's hard, but after a while, you will know that feelings are strong, but they don't really control us. We think that they control us, but they only control us because we give them permission to. The fact is that we can make ourselves do those things that are uncomfortable. So we want to do opposite action. And the other thing is we want to focus on the next skill, which is effectiveness. What effectiveness skill it is focusing on doing what works with the situation at hand. Not the situation you wish it would be, you think it should be, oughta, shoulda, woulda, coulda, have to, why, all those things. You're not building up that story and you're not holding a position because they need to know and it's not right and all that kind of stuff. Instead, you want to focus on what is going to work given the situation at hand, and you do it. The purpose of that is that we find solutions that don't create bigger problems. Sometimes it's a bigger problem to support our position at the cost of what is most effective in that moment. So let's say maybe you're at work and a coworker was supposed to mail this critical item and they didn't do it and you are done picking up after this person, and so you're going to hold your position. However, it's so critical that it's going to end up having a negative effect on you and everybody else. So if you're focusing on effectiveness, then you just get it done. And then the next day you do what you need to do. Maybe you talk to that coworker or you make a complaint or whatever is within your power. So those are my two solutions. So to summarize, anxiety creates avoidance, avoidance increases anxiety, and round we go. So to stop that loop, we want to use two skills, which is the opposite action skill and the effectiveness skill. I hope that was helpful. And you guys are all doing good. I'm Dr. Shawn Horn. Hey, if you like this, then come on over and subscribe to my upcoming webinars where I'm going to introduce a whole bunch of other skills. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and come over and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love for you to be part of my community and share with me if there's something you want me to address or a question you might have. I am more than happy to do that. I want to do that for you. So we will see you soon. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day, night, whenever it is for you. And I'm signing off, Dr. Shawn Horn. Thanks.